MCQ questions for Class 9 Science Chapter 1 Matter in Our Surroundings. 30 MCQ questions for Class 9 Science, Chapter 1 Matter in Our Surroundings. Question 1. What is the boiling point of water? A. 0 degrees Celsius. B. 100 degrees Celsius. C. 373 K. D. Both B and C. Question 2. Which of the following is a physical change? A. Burning of paper. B. Rusting of iron. C. Melting of ice. D. Cooking of food. Question 3. The process of a solid changing directly to gas is called A. Condensation. B. Evaporation. C. Sublimation. D. Deposition. Question 4. Which of these is not a characteristic of particles of matter? A. They are very small. B. They attract each other. C. They are stationary. D. They have spaces between them. Question 5. What happens to the kinetic energy of particles when the temperature increases? A. It decreases. B. It remains constant. C. It increases. D. It first increases then decreases. Question 6. Which of these substances has the highest density? A. Water. B. Air. C. Honey. D. Iron. Question 7. Evaporation of a liquid leads to which of the following effects? A. Increase in temperature. B. Decrease in temperature. C. No change in temperature. D. Fluctuation in temperature. Question 8. What is the main factor that affects the rate of evaporation? A. Pressure. B. Volume. C. Temperature. D. Density. Question 9. The melting point of ice is A. 100 degrees Celsius. B. 0 degrees Celsius. C. 273 K. D. Both B and C. Question 10. Which of the following is an example of a gaseous state? A. Sugar. B. Sand. C. Oxygen. D. Ice. Question 11. At what temperature in the Celsius scale does water boil? A. 0 degrees Celsius. B. 100 degrees Celsius. C. 373 degrees Celsius. D. 273 degrees Celsius. Question 12. Which process is responsible for the formation of clouds? A. Sublimation. B. Condensation. C. Evaporation. D. Deposition. Question 13. What is the physical state of water at 25 degrees Celsius? A. Solid. B. Liquid. C. Gas. D. Plasma. Question 14. What is the SI unit of temperature? A. Celsius. B. Fahrenheit. C. Kelvin. D. Rankine. Question 15. What property of particles of matter is affected by an increase in temperature? A. Color. B. Size. C. Kinetic energy. D. Weight. Question 16. What happens to the kinetic energy of particles when a substance changes from solid to liquid? A. Decreases. B. Increases. C. Remains the same. D. Becomes zero. Question 17. Diffusion is fastest in which state of matter? A. Solids. B. Liquids. C. Gases. D. Plasma. Question 18. What happens to the intermolecular space when a solid melts into a liquid? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Remains the same. D. Becomes zero. Question 19. What is the process called when a gas changes directly to a solid? A. Sublimation. B. Deposition. C. Condensation. D. Evaporation. Question 20. What is latent heat? A. Heat required to change the temperature of a substance. B. Heat required to change the state of a substance without changing its temperature. C. Heat lost when a substance cools down. D. Heat gained when a substance heats up. Question 21. In the Kelvin scale, the freezing point of water is _K. Fill in the blank. Question 22. When a solid turns into a gas upon heating, the process is known as underscore. Fill in the blank. Question 23. Is the process where a liquid changes into a gas at a temperature below its boiling point. Fill in the blank. Question 24. The underscore energy of particles increases with a rise in temperature. Fill in the blank. Question 25. Is the process where gas changes into a liquid. Fill in the blank. Question 26. Diffusion is slower in liquids than in gases. True, false. True, false. Question 27. Water vapor is considered a gas. True, false. True, false. Question 28. Solids have a definite volume but no definite shape. True, false. True, false. Question 29. The boiling point of water is the same as its evaporation point. True, false. True, false. Question 30. At room temperature, the physical state of water is liquid. True, false. True, false.